Influencers can overview their feed on Keepface platform. By clicking on Portfolio, the influencer can set the price of their content. Browse your mentions and collaboration history by clicking on Brand Affinity. Audience Analyze section will give you more detailed analysis of your audience. This will include core details about your audience, such as location of your audience, the language they speak, their age range, and their gender. By clicking on Who Viewed Your Profile, influencers can see brands which viewed their profile